Okay, so what I have here is a little experiment set up, and I have two aluminum cans, one which I have put ice in. I also have a Peltier heat sink between the two cans. I have two leads, one positive, one negative, which I attach these alligator clips to. I also have a multimeter, a little Christmas bulb, some room temperature water, and inside this thermos I have some really hot water. So basically what this experiment is going to do is we're going to take cold water and hot water and produce a voltage that will turn this little bulb on. Okay, just to verify that there's no battery. And we're going to attach this to the bulb first. And I will hold it up to the camera. And you see that it does not turn on, and it is hooked up. And these two are touching to the same exact point. Okay. Now what I'm also going to do is I'm going to read voltage. Just to verify that we have no voltage. Yellow is red, and black orange. As you can see, into the multimeter, there is no voltage. It's saying 166 millivolts, which is practically zero. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unattach this, disconnect it, and we still have our two leads here connected to the tin cans. And I'm going to reconnect it to a light bulb. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour, as soon as I have these connected, I'm going to pour the water, two different waters, into the different cans while holding this bulb up to the camera. So you can see that the bulb will light up. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to put the cold water in where the ice goes. Now I'm going to pour the hot water in the other can. As you can see, the bulb is not turned on yet. Alright, so here goes the hot water. And as you can see, the bulb is starting to light up. Turn off the light just so that you can see this. The little bulb is lit. So we have voltage coming out of this device, which is a Peltier heatsink. Now if you pass current through this device, it will actually do the opposite. It will actually get hot on one side and get cold on the other. Now to verify our voltage, I'm going to hook up our multimeter and read our voltage and see what kind of voltage we're getting out of it. We're getting about 1.4 volts. You can see before we had 0 volts. Now it says 1.416 DC volts. So after thinking about this, I was thinking maybe perhaps you can build one, put it in your backyard, use the Earth's heat, and then in the winter time with the cold, you could create a battery and maybe power your house. Who knows? You never know. But it's kind of a cool experiment. If you want to try it, it's really simple. These things are about $1 online. You just need a bulb, some leads, ice, water, and two cans.